is up? Really, Feather? Really? Interrupting my shot? What the heck? Anyways, what is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, I'm supporting my boys. I love Pentagon. I love Naughty Boy. This is KCON Thailand, and this is their basically their relay dance for Naughty Boy. I feel like the whole thing's been like shrouded in controversy with obviously with the departure, well, the probably imminent departure of eDawn and stuff from Cube, but it's one of those things that I kind of just want to support them anyway. So yeah, this is my reaction to this particular piece. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video, guys, and I hope you enjoy. You two didn't like. He wasn't ready there. Hey! Oh oh I love it. I love the routine as well. It's so like light-hearted. Hey! Came out from behind them. Hey! They always look like they're having so much fun during their stages as well. How is everyone getting their parts? I love these guys. They deserve so much more success than they've got. What is going on with his trousers? Holy crap. Is it, I keep forgetting his name. Yosuke? Yutuda. Woo! Hey! Avocado head. I love it. Chino. Woo! That's amazing. He's so tall. Genuinely awesome. They always kill their relay stages anyway, so I had like high hopes coming into that anyway, and it was thoroughly enjoyable. The song is a lot more catchier, a lot more catchy. Words, English, apparently. I don't know. It's a lot more upbeat and a lot more catchy than I was expecting it when it first came out, and it kind of I was like, oh, okay, this song's completely different to what I'm used to with Pentagon. But then it just kind of grew on me, and it's one of my favorite. It's one of those songs that I don't ever skip whenever it comes up. Whenever it comes up on my playlist, so I love watching that video, these videos anyway. So relay dances are one of my favorites. So we're gonna get more relay dances. I'm gonna probably look actively look for more. I think there's a couple of 17 ones I need to watch as well. So thank you very much for sticking around to the end of the video, guys, and thank you very much for your loving support and all that kind of stuff. I know I'm being soppy and sentimental, but we're on the road to 10k now. That's what we need to do. We need to get everyone in, build a big community with us, and you know, hopefully meet you guys at KCON next year if I decide to, or if I get the finances to go. So hopefully I'll see some of you guys there. So thank you very much for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. If you have any comments, queries, or concerns, any requests, please put them in the comment section for me, or hit me up on my social media at Hostile Gamer TV. Make sure you subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.